dive is done. You're seeing the footage. It was amazing. While I was away, Brandon picked us up a new ride. Check it out. It's our golf cart.
It's our transportation for the day.
We're about to go scooting around the island here. Here we go. Yep. Blue Bayou.
We are out here at Secret Beach in Belize, Ambergris Caye. How do you feel, Han?
Good.
It's good.
It's really nice here.
Can't help it. We got some nachos. That's what's left of them. We were a little hungry, you know. Sorry, I just started the video and Brandon's like, oh my God, look, I'm trying to cover his face with the tree so he'll be not mad at me.
I have a mouthful of food.
Yeah, right at the opportune time.
Hello!
But it's nice out here.
It's nice. We're having a good time.
Brandon flying the drone. We're here at Blue Bayou and this has been a really good time.
Hello everyone. We are heading out of San Pedro, Belize and going to Caulker finally. We've been here for the last, 4 days?
Yep.
4 days of dives.
10 dives in 4 days and it was incredible.
Yes.